Hey everybody, I want to show you these awesome paintings from my last video. I am so proud of them. I love them. Here is the painting that is on the MDF wood. It's just got really cool stuff going on in it. And then here are the coasters that are also MDF, but are 1/4 inch thick instead of half. And these will have, well, actually they're all going to have resin. Like, I'm just so excited about those. I don't know if I'll ever be able to make one that I like as much as those. All right, so I am painting on a tile today. I bought a bunch of tiles in various sizes at Home Depot today because I realized what had I, well, it was those, and I don't know, whatever, let's start over. I liked the look on the wood, which is smooth with no texture, like how canvas has a texture. So that's what prompted me to buy the tiles, and I bought these funky tiles, which I will make into magnets probably. And then to hang them, okay, I don't have the scissors near me, so I will use, okay. So what I thought would be cool is, well, I U-po'd the back just so it won't get dirty. But what I thought would be cool, because you want a little separation between the tile and the wall. Well, I do. So I was going to resin these onto the 4 corners, and then you could hang the 2 nails, and those would be where the nail would go. That would be how you would hang it. So I like that idea. So I'd be resining both the top, and then I would just resin these 4 onto the back. I've got E6000 is a really good glue, but resin is, will positively not break off, so that's what I will use. So I'm going to do a mallet smash, and this is my white paint, which is my Dutch Boy acrylic, or latex house paint, I'm sorry. So I'm going to, I did clean off this tile just with like alcohol before I started, just so that there wasn't like dust or whatever on it. And I only use U-Po on the back because I couldn't find my painter's tape. But I don't like U-Po because it comes off. But it's all I could find. So it works. So I'm really excited about the tiles, because they'll give me that nice smooth finish. Oh, my cough is still not going away. Apologize. So I'm going to start with black, and okay, This is, I have no idea which color black this is. Usually, like when I've done black negative space, I then pour all the remains into this. So this is a combination of a bunch of different blacks. Mars black, ivory black, iridescent black. So it's a hodgepodge. And then this is Grumbacher Processed Magenta. And this is Prussian Blue mixed with a self-mixed blush color that I made. I'm trying to decide if I should blow it out or I'll do the mallet. Why not? Yeah, those are cool. I like those cells. I don't want to lose them. I don't think that made it better. Because my goal was to keep these cells, but now the rest of it is like funky. Come on. I'm not liking this blob here. And I just knocked out that cool cell area because it was starting to be that the rest of it did not match that area anymore. Ooh, but new stuff is forming as I am tilting. May have gone a little too far with this one. torch and see what happens. Ooh, well, that's no good. It's not good at all. Change of plans. I really thought that would. Not digging that either. I don't know. Now I'm just seeing. But I don't have enough paint, I don't think, to keep moving this around. Kind of wonder what will happen if I put more black on, since the black seemed to do that cool, like, selling. I don't like that. Ugh. All right. I think there needs to be a new plan. At least this is super easy to wipe off. Whoops. All right. Do over. can do tiny ones, not a big one again. Alright, now that's actually super cool. But I'm going to take out a couple of the darker parts that I don't like. Big bubble right there. Alright, this one I am very happy with. That's the part I love that. Even got some cool cells in my drip off. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.